Mwandiki munene wa ukui wa Nzeveni Mwandute Rimbaika ni wakulia Kenya methiwe mengunu kavindani kalanthi ile itwani na nthi ya Kenya yende na kukitanano wa Ebola ni wa maikithisia Kenya kana silikali ni yikite mawalanio mailu makusia uwawu kulikava Kenya aimenda Kenya maikose uwawu tamuisio wevasa indi ni uwawu utonya kunyai kwa mituki ethiwa ndu yose matambiala mailite Mbaika ingine watetea muvango wa kwambese ituo sia kuthinikia mathina makukwatanwa aimenda enende maike kuona Kenya te kutwikithwa bandu va utululwa mawau alama umela kwa evinda ya mituke kuma kwinthi ilaingi Titus amakawe na mauvo
ainena na andiki mama Mbaika ni waelezea tapethitwa na nzeke kukonia kuweto kituo cha kumairia na kumasyaisya awauma Ebola bakena aithingilila uni undu wa bata kwa kila ukuweta uwauoti wa amwe indi tautona kukwata kila mundu aiweta nthi ya Kenya taikwithiwa itambia mbee wa nthi ila ingi kwiyumbanisya kukitana na wauo ethiwa nukumila aithingilila nthi ya Kenya yithiwa yiwikwatyo kwa nthi ila ingi.
Of Ebola in Uganda, who are our neighbors, and it's good we take precautions so that we are not exposed to this deadly disease. Of course, there has been a lot of talks around Kenya being a quarantine country. I think it's important. In my other life, I'm a public health professional. I've studied public health. Let us not see this disease as a disease for others, you know. It is such an opportunity, assuming, because we don't know how long it's going to be with us. We don't know whether it will also find itself here in our country. Assuming we have cases, where do we think we are going also to take them? So it's important as people, we know it's not a disease for those ones. It can also find it in our houses, in our households. So if a facility is being done here in this country, that is confidence even to the other countries that Kenya has all that we need to even help other countries globally and even in our region.
Onge Mbaika ni waikithia ene nthi kana nthi ya Kenya ndi kutumika ta bandu ba kutulula awau indi ta bandu ba wikwatyo kwa nthi sionthe aimenda kupetanga nzika aithingilila kana pe ataalamu ala masomete maundu ma OET aiweta ta mena utwika wa kuikithia ni mokitana na wau athikithia ene nthi kana silikale ni thiete walanyo mwailu kusia wau kulika ba Kenya.
Things do not just happen. There are protocols, public health measures. It is not just a dumping place. So looking at our region, we lead in many sectors, health being one of them. So for me, the most important is that we should not see this disease as a disease for those ones, for those other countries. It can still find itself here. We have put measures in all entry points at the PS for Aviation and Aerospace Development. There's the screening at the airport, screenings at our border posts, our border points, any entry so that we also keep our population safe from the disease.
Ndilipoti ya bilingi wa maubo kuma Mwani sabu kaundini ya Kaiti kaundini ya Makueni. Titus Makau.